representatives from the banks, County Pension Fund, Lab Fund, and the cycles, CCMs. Chief, everyone namna hii. Asante. This is an important day when we are witnessing all our ECDE teachers have been serving on contract, and it has been my desire that the teachers be absorbed on permanent terms when I came into the office. The delay was is because of absence of the County Public Service Board in the better part of 2023. The new board was sworn in last year. I directed them to permanent terms by end of this month, January 2024. Is it the end of the month? Yes. Are we there? Yes. Thank you. And following the due process by the board, today, 714 teachers are receiving their appointment letters out of the 954 advertised slots. I'm happy, and I'll explain each of every group that is out of the 954. I'm happy to announce that depending on the academic qualification, it's important to you to observe this. The teachers have been observed at favorable job groups with a salary range of between 26,000 to 39,950. Walimu hoye! Okay. This, I know of the current rate of 12,000 per month. Poleni najua mmekaa hapo sana, but indeed we have moved now. Yes. Beside an assured pension, ECDE teachers will henceforth qualify various financial products with the banks and other financial institutions. To help and tune our teachers to their new terms of service, from Thursday, our ECDE teachers will embark on an induction course at the H.E ATCs. That's their graduate training center. Therefore, immediately you'll be announced on the program on the induction. The induction will take place to make sure you have gotten the best basics of getting into back to school. The induction, which is also the training program for competence-based program, CBC, is being sponsored by the County Pension Fund, that's CPF. I want to thank CPF for initiative, and I also welcome other sponsors who are willing to support the noble venture. CPF, congratulations. Our Angwana, hamwezi pigiwa makofi? I'm going to immediately have to think through the box. Now, wamekubali kwamba they sponsor the induction. In the induction, they have said, you'll be trained, you'll have breakfast, tea, you'll have lunch, and no.